Hello there beauties, your girl Euniycemari here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I promise it won't hurt. And go ahead and thumbs up this video.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Alright you guys, so today's video I'm going to show you guys 3 quick ways that I wrap my hair on lazy days. These are days where I wake up with my hair looking a little something like this. This is like a way that I use a headscarf of mine to just go ahead and to put it in in something cute where I can run out the door, go somewhere and not look so crazy. So the first style that I'm going to show you guys is pretty typical. It is my usual style. I use a regular scarf like so. I have a bunch of these things and you can find these everywhere at your local beauty supply store. So I just go ahead and I just take it and I fold it in half like so, and I just start in the front. So I just go ahead, I just place it on the front, put it behind the ears, crisscross the back part, and then usually I will move my front part back so that it's not too, close to the front. And then I will take it around the front and I just bow tie it in the front. Really simple way, really cute way. You guys have seen me wear this before as well. And then you just bow it in the front and you just fluff your hair out. Bam! Your girl's ready to go. Okay, so my next style is the same. It's kind of the same concept. Okay, so I just take my headscarf, put it. So I guess for this one I'll change it up a little bit so that you guys can see how it looks a little bit differently. So let's just say I want to leave out some hair in the front. Okay, you can just grab a quick piece of hair from the rest of your hair. If you have a hair clip, you might want to clip this down, but I don't have a hair clip, so we're just going to just grab a piece in the front like so. So same concept, I'm going to fold my headscarf in half. Okay, and then I'm going to place it behind that hair and the hair piece in the front, wrap it around the back, bring it around the, crisscross it in the back, sorry, and bring it towards the front. Okay, the only difference, and I'm going to make sure I bring this off to the side so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to crisscross it and tie it like so. And then I'm going to start to twist the two together, the two ends together. And then you can take that and you can either swoop it around this way. You guys cannot see that at all. Okay. You can either swoop it around this way and tuck it. But I think for video purposes, will it be easier for me to swoop it around the other way for you guys to see it? But for video purposes, I'm going to swoop it around this way so you guys can kind of see the detail. You can do it either way and just tuck the rest of it into the back. And you can do this with hair out in the front like so, or you can do it with the hair pushed back. So this is what that looks like. And then you just have like a little twisted braid or twist on the side here. Just a little twist on the side, and then you tuck the end into the side, into the back. So my last way that I like to wrap my hair, and this is probably my most favorite way because all my hair is out of the way. I just take the scarf fully as it comes, not folded in half or anything, and then I just take it and apply it to my head like so. Now if you have more hair, you want a bigger scarf, okay? Because my hair, I have a lot of hair, but it's not that long. But if you have a lot of hair, you want to go for a bigger scarf when doing this style. So I just take it around the front like so, okay? Crisscross it. I crisscross it in the back like this. All right, then I bring these two tails to the front, take my hand and push it back to a certain part of my hairline. And then I take the rest of this, bring it around the back like so. And then you can do the same method. Either you can tie it in a bow on this part. Bows are my favorite. I'm a girly girl, so I like a bow. Or you can actually twist it up and tuck it. But I usually like to just take it and do a bow in the front, and then kind of, you can tuck the ends if you choose to, or you can leave them out however you like it to look. And then you can go ahead and, like, you know, fix your edges or whatnot. And then I just kind of tuck my hair in the back, make sure it's all in there like swimwear, and then that's it. I don't even know what to call this, but it's just a quick way to put your hair up and out of the way, and it's cute. So alright, so those are my 3 lazy day hairstyles. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.